To make this jollof quinoa, I started by water frying some sliced red onions in about 1/4 cup of water over medium heat. This is a great oil-free method if you're cooking low fat, but feel free to use a tablespoon or 2 of oil if you prefer that extra richness. Just sauté until the onions begin to soften and turn fragrant. Next, I added a tablespoon of dried mixed herbs, though dried thyme works just as well, and a tablespoon of curry powder. You can go for mild or spicy depending on your taste. Give everything a quick stir to toast the spices gently and release their aroma. Now for the base of the dish, a pepper mix I always keep in the fridge. It's super versatile and forms the foundation of so many of my meals. It's just a simple blend of red bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, and chili. If you'd like to see how I make it from scratch, I've linked my healthy Nigerian stew video below and in the top corner of the screen. For this recipe, I'm adding 2½ cups of that mix. Stir it all together, cover the pot and let it cook on high heat for about 2 minutes to intensify the flavor. Now it's time for the star of the show, quinoa. I'm adding 1 2/3 cups, which is around 300 grams, rinsed and drained. Add an extra cup of water, stir everything well, then this would be the time to season to taste with salt or your favorite stock cube. Cover and cook on the lowest heat setting for 25 to 30 minutes or until most of the liquid has been absorbed. When it's ready, fluff it up with a spoon or fork and give it one final mix. And that's it, your jollof quinoa is ready to serve. Quinoa is a brilliant substitute for rice, especially if you're looking for a nutrient boost. It's naturally gluten-free and high in protein, fibre, and iron. What makes it extra special is that it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, something you don't always get in plant-based foods. This dish is delicious on its own, but it's also great as a side. Add some plantain, maybe a crunchy salad, and you've got yourself a full balanced meal. It's also toddler-friendly and a great way to sneak in more fibre. Just stir in some roasted veggies for extra colour and texture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe because I share a new video every week. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!